welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful evening. So if you saw a little earlier, we had our Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which was the first month that it's new, right? It's new. Well, now we have our October 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. What? Yes, I got both of them on the same day. So we're going to get into this, and I'm going to show you guys what I got for the month of October 2019. Before I do, first, again, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, I wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. We do have an active giveaway going on right now, so make sure you check out the link down below for that thrift to bag giveaway. Otherwise, we're going to get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For those of you that do not know, it is a $25 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 full-size beauty products and a bag. Now, they are going to be putting bags in here every month, and you get to pick one of the items. And it's only $25. I honestly don't remember what I'm getting in here. So let's open it up and find out. They changed the box, obviously. And just like with the Ultimate, it said to you, from you, and discover yourself. We have the orange foam again. And then here are our products. Now I'm curious to see if there's going to be pricing here on this, because that was one thing that threw me. The Ultimate, the little pamphlet, did not have pricing, where normally the Glam Bag, the regular Glam Bag doesn't have pricing, but the Ipsy Plus has always had pricing. So let's see. And it does, this has pricing. So that's just weird to me that the Ultimate doesn't have the pricing listed, but that's okay. All right, so your 5 Glam Bag products worth $120 or more are in place. Give a round of applause for your all-star cast. Here's everything you need to know. So it's basically saying the same exact thing that the Ultimate said. And again, the theme is Flaunt It for October 2019. All right, so the first item I selected, and this is the Lisse Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. Bring on the glow. This antioxidant-rich, lightweight serum uses a powerhouse of 9 plant extracts to nurture, brighten, hydrate, and repair your skin without irritation or redness. And the hydroquinone-free formula gently fades discoloration too. And this is valued at $65. I did not know that when I picked it, but I'm good. $65. All right, so here it is right here. So I'm definitely excited to give this guy a try. All right, and the next product is from Dr. Brandt. This is their Microderm Abrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. It's like a trip to the derm in a jar because it's developed by one. A mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals slough away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera help reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. $79. So have I gotten my $25 worth? Absolutely. And then we have, this is from Jules Smith Beauty. Power Gloss, Namaste All Day, and Serene Queen are the colors. So it's a duo. From Jewelry to Beauty, founder Gina Negrelli Smith knows how to shine. This pair of rosy crystal-inspired glosses from Jules Smith Beauty give high shine, moisture, and vitamins A and E with a hint of shimmer. And this is valued at $32. So there's $16 a piece. That's crazy. I mean, they are both very pretty, for sure. So, and then we got the Glossier Glossier Milky Oil Waterproof Makeup Remover. From products to packaging, the essentials of Glossier are all about you. This balanced combo of micellar water and weightless oil melts makeup, yep, even the 24-hour wear stuff, and conditions the skin with comfrey root. I don't know if they meant I don't know. Comfrey root extract and provitamin B5, and this is valued at $12. So I love micellar waters. I mean, especially with removing eye makeup. I mean, I know I don't have eyeshadow on today. Like I said, I'm really not feeling that great, but I'm not mad at this. I'm kind of excited to try it, actually. So there's that. And then our final product is a Betty Boop collaboration product, and it is the That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. So here is what the outer packaging looks like. They definitely made everything very sleek and shiny and bright with this collection. All right, so here is the palette. So there's lots of shimmers in this. There's only one matte shade, and that is this light pink right here. I'm not going to do any swatches because I may or may not keep this palette. I don't know yet. So, I mean, I do think it is very pretty. But I have some stuff very similar, so I may or may not pass this on. So I'm not going to do any swatches. It says, inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop, this Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you. With 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum, these velvety shadows glide onto lids with ease, and it's valued at $30. And that is what it says. And then just like with the Ultimate, because again, the Ultimate they did not have a bag for, so we have 2 of these, so I'll put this to the side to use for a giveaway. So again, got Betty strutting her stuff right there, the heart zipper, and then the back is the sequins. So that was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October 2019. Again, to recap, we got the bag, and they are putting a value on these bags, and I believe the value of the one for the Plus is supposed to be like $8. So we have the bag, which they finally did start back because I believe they only did it one time. We have the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette, which again does have very pretty colors. There's only one matte, the rest are shimmer, but like I said, I'm not sure if that'll end up in a giveaway, so keep an eye out. We have the Glossier, the Milky Oil, which I'm, like I said, definitely excited to use, knowing that it's a micellar water. At first, I was like, ooh, I don't want that, but I am glad I got it. The lipstick or lip gloss duo from Jules Smith Beauty. The 2 different colors. Again, they are Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. Namaste is probably my favorite of the 2, but they're both very pretty. We got the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion right here. And we got the Perlice Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. And again, this was the item that I selected. It says prevent. Brightens an even skin tone, reduces dark spots. It's good for all skin types, even sensitive. Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Lupine peptides promote a luminous complexion. Vitamin C and alpha arbutin brightens and evens skin tone. Neem and prune extracts fade away hyperpigmentation and sun damage. Avocado oil and natural squalene nurtures sensitive skin. The ritual to be your brightest, use morning and night after cleansing. Oh, I thought it was saying that it had SPF. It's saying to follow with the Blue Lotus SPF 30 Daily Moisturizer. Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. So again, this is the item I selected, and I'm happy with everything else. I'll put the total value right down here of this box. I definitely think I got my $25 worth without a doubt. And I'm happy with the box this month. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping this or putting this into a giveaway just because I have other products that are similar in color. So like I said, keep an eye out because you know I love doing giveaways. So one of you guys might end up getting that if I decide to put it in a giveaway. Otherwise, I'm extremely happy with the products. I definitely think the value is there. Let me know your thoughts down below. What did you get this month? What item did you select? And then what were your other 4 products? You know, are you happy with your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Let me know down below. I hope you all have a fantastic evening, and I will talk with you on the next one. Bye.